Automate payroll reports with n8n under 1 minute. Welcome guys to another AI automation n8n and NoCode tutorial. Today we're building a complete payroll reports automation where every salary calculation and HR report is generated automatically using AI. No code, no spreadsheet, just screen automation. Node 1, webhook, the payroll input. The path will be payroll report. The fields will be name, hour, and rate. This captures every new payroll entry instantly. We now have all raw payroll data automatically received by n8n. Node 2, set, calculate totalus. Purpose, compute each employee's total pay. The field will be the name, hour, rate, total, and the timestamp. Now each entry includes exact payment calculation, no manual math. Node 3, OpenAI, the payroll summary. Purpose is use AI to generate a short professional payroll summary. The prompt will be this. Generate a short payroll summary and output JSON with the key total payroll, average hour, and insight. Date, data JSON name, work JSON hour at rate, JSON rate, total JSON total. Write one short insight for HR based on the totals. The AI now transforms payroll data into a readable HR report. And Node 4, his purpose is to deliver the generate payroll report directly to HR. Subject payroll report, now format, and the body will be the payroll summary here, JSON text. The email with the AI generated payroll summary lands instantly in HR inbox. And that's how you automate payroll reporting with AI automation n8n and no code. Like, subscribe, and share for more real automation powered by AI. Bye bye.